Did you know, by 2018, users could choose among nearly 6 million apps on Google or Apple stores. Reports also show that more than 90% of mobile apps begin as free and contribute more than 90% to the total profits from mobile apps. Doesn't that sound interesting? But if these apps are free, how are they able to generate profits? The answer is app monetization strategies. Simply put, app monetization means converting your app users into revenue. An app that doesn't employ effective monetization strategies is of no use, as you would not be able to generate any returns. One of the most prominent and highly used monetization strategies is in-app advertising. If your app is free on the app stores, this model can be extremely profitable. There are various ads that you can run on your app, like banner ads, interstitial ads, native ads, video ads, and pop-up ads. The revenue you generate from these ads can either be cost per mile, cost per click, or cost per action. The reason why this strategy is extremely popular is that it is simple and quick to implement. You must have seen ads on apps like Spotify and YouTube. Well, that's how they generate revenue. Moving further, another very effective monetization model that apps use is the freemium model. Using this model, the app simply offers different features for the free and premium versions. If you use the free version, you get access to only the basic features. To use the advanced features, you need to subscribe to the premium version. Dropbox and Hootsuite are popular examples of apps using the freemium model. This model can drive significant engagement to your app while providing a steady, reliable income. A similar revenue generation model is in-app purchases. This monetization strategy also allows the users to use the app for free, but instead of subscribing to a premium version, the user can purchase a specific feature or product. Now, in-app purchases can be divided into two types: consumable purchases and non-consumable purchases. Consumables are temporary assets that need to be refilled once they are over. For example, in-game currency, hints, etc. Non-consumables, on the other hand, need to be purchased only once. For example, bonus game levels, the remove ads feature, etc. Many popular gaming apps like PUBG, Candy Crush and more have in-app purchases that bring revenue. Apart from these monetization strategies for free apps, you obviously have paid apps. As the name suggests, these apps need to be paid for to be used. The users can download the app only after spending a certain amount. To succeed with the paid app model, your app must be positioned as a premium product. One method is to avoid using a low pricing strategy. Lower prices typically undermine your product's value and negatively impact consumer perception of your app. We have many paid apps in the market, like Minecraft and GTA San Andreas. Lastly, apps can also generate revenue from sponsorships and partnerships. This strategy involves working with brands and companies interested in your product. When a user completes a specific action within your app, associated brands provide them with rewards. It could be a discount, gift card, or similar item. In this manner, you can push your partner's sales while earning a percentage of the money they generate. Each monetization strategy has its pros and cons. You should weigh them and choose the most appropriate strategy for your app. You must also focus on your app category, as it significantly affects your monetization strategy selection. Don't forget that the right strategy implemented at the right time can lead you to the heights of success.